We got to a shelter last night, yesterday afternoon, just before the rain started. So we didn't get trapped out in it, but it rained pretty good, as you can see. This is the trail here, and it's flooded. This is up by a place called Annapolis Rocks, and it's just nothing but water and puddles for quite a distance of this. This is probably one of the bigger areas of it. It just looks like a small lake. I am very thankful we were in the shelter last night. Although the shelter leaked, I had to shove toilet paper and stuff up in the roof, and it still ran down, and a lot of people showed up too. We ended up with 7 people in the shelter, and we had to avoid one side of it because of the water leaking. So one guy, he had to sleep sideways in the front of us. Like, we're all lined up side by side, and then there wasn't enough room, so he was down by where our feet were. It was better than being outside though. We're on Black Rock Cliffs right now. We skipped Annapolis Rocks because we section hiked that years ago, and we didn't think the view was as good as this. So, and this one is right on the trail, and the other one's a side trail. So we chose the one that we thought was the better view. The maintainers on the trail, a lot of times when they got to get rid of trees that fell and stuff, they'll be off to the side, and then they'll sometimes they'll carve the Appalachian Trail sign in them. It's kind of cool.